welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm at the Boardwalk at Ladybird Lake in Austin, Texas. It is here whereby you can see engineering, design, and environmental consciousness and recreation blend. So I'll be featuring what the Boardwalk is all about. So come with me as we explore Austin, Texas. Is a statement. You can see it has elevated walkways, floating decks, and reinforced concrete piers in terms of engineering. So it's stretching 10 miles and it's good for hiking and bike trails. So, and you can see it has very scenic areas of Austin City, and it's impressive how there's minimal impact on the ecosystem while it supports daily non-motorized transport users. So as an engineer, I think this is a great project which you can adopt, especially in our cities like Kisumu near the lakeside, or even Mombasa. We can be able to integrate both public art, accessibility ramps, and structural resilience in such areas, and people can be able to enjoy our cities and also the natural lake sides and also the coastline. So, but beyond the design, we can see there's a lot of accessibility provided, and then also it's been made walkable for all, and even you can see families are enjoying, and people are jogging, and even tourists can be able to enjoy such environments. So I was invited here by my sister, and she normally comes here to have her evening walks. So this was a reminder that great engineering isn't always about grand structures, but it's about connecting people with nature safely, sustainably, and beautifully. As you can see, even the timber look-alike planks here reduce maintenance but also give it a natural feel. So there's a lot of attention on durability of materials and also aesthetics. So can we adapt this? Okay, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more travel insights through an engineer's eye. Till next time, bye.